Hello everybody, this is Jacob at Nexus and I'm here at 407 Morris Avenue, Unit 3, located in Providence, Rhode Island. This is a third floor, 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit, and we're going to begin a walkthrough of this unit right in the kitchen area. The kitchen area, along with all the bedrooms and the living area that we'll look at in a second, all house a hardwood flooring. Meanwhile, the bathroom instead houses a tile flooring. But of course, the entire unit houses a fresh coat of paint and baseboard heat, as you can see. Kitchen area houses lots of cabinets up above and below for any kind of extra storage you may need in this room. You also have a wide open countertop and custom tile backsplash along this wall over here. Appliances include the medium-sized refrigerator, 4-burner stove and oven with the exhaust fan up above, and you also have the double bin stainless steel sink right next to that. Awesome. Now in this room you do have a little bit of space for maybe a small dining set, particularly right in this corner over here next to the windows. But if needed for a larger dining set, you do have the room right next door to the kitchen area through this dining window that you see right here. Now this room particularly could be used as the living area, as there isn't a specific room dedicated to that, but you could also use this as a dining room, whatever fits your needs. If used as a dining room, you do have plenty of room, of course, for any size dining set. If used as a living room, you have a good amount of space for any kind of furniture setups. Just keep in mind, with being on the third floor, some of these rooms do have slanted ceilings, including this one. Okay. Let's move on and look at the first bedroom. Now this bedroom is located right across from the kitchen area, as you just saw. But all bedrooms do, of course, house the hardwood floors, as I said. You also have fresh paint. And this is probably the largest of the 3 bedrooms. Should be able to fit a standard full or even queen size bed set in here, no problem at all. Step inside, show you guys a little bit more of it. And 2 of the 3 bedrooms do house this glass sliding door closet space. Pretty spacious. Gives a lot of additional storage to these bedrooms. Awesome. Alright, that is the first bedroom. Let's move forward, check out the other 2 bedrooms. This right here is the second bedroom. A little bit smaller than the other 2. Should still be able to fit a standard size bed set in here. Got the windows located near the floor. It's got its own closet space right in the corner. And once again, just be aware of the slanted ceilings. But overall, still should be able to have plenty of room in here. Alright, next the third bedroom. Located right at the end of the hallway. And again, this is the second bedroom that houses those glass sliding door closet spaces. Again, slanted ceilings, hardwoods, fresh paint, baseboard heat. Same as you saw in the first bedroom. Awesome. Before we check out the bathroom, I'd like to point out one thing that comes additionally with this unit. You do have a private little porch area right outside this doorway over here. It's all fenced in and it's pretty high up and private, of course being on the 3rd floor. And you get a great view of the neighborhood. Just wanted to point that out before we check out the bathroom. Perfect. All right. Last but not least, once again, is the bathroom. This bathroom, once I said, again, has a tile flooring instead of the hardwoods. You do have some cabinets along the walls over here. There's some bathroom storage available to you. Got this wide open sink area. Cabinets underneath the sink, of course, for even more storage available to you in this bathroom, along with the small mirror up above. And you also have a full tub and shower, aligned with the tile walling, all hooked up and ready to go. Perfect. So once again, this is 407 Morris Avenue, Unit 3 in Providence, Rhode Island. Before I go though, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel so you can keep up to date with all the listings that we have available on our website. And of course, any news related to real estate and property management will be located on there as well. Thank you very much.